Here's another project by a student at Ritsumeikan University. Hello.
Hello.
This is a mixed reality textbook prototype developed with a Canon pass-through AR headset and using some rudimentary tracking tools with QR codes to manipulate a 3D model and a video represented by these two triggers at the top. And you can see some of what they're looking at through these screens here. So this is a play button, and when it's covered, the overlay is, I'm sorry, this overlay is covered, it'll play a video of a shark. And you can see way down here in the corner here, there's a shark 3D model, and you can use these controls. This one will turn the actual shark itself. Oh yeah, she's helping me look at the camera there. So yeah, I'm turning this trigger and it's turning the shark so you can view it in 3D space. And this is moving it side to side, and this down over here is making it big and small. Uh-oh. And they have different pages in it, well, for different animals. It's great. Thank you.
Bye.